Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're looking at a specific component that can make a significant difference in the sound quality of a classic turntable setup. The EVGame Audio Technica ATS11E Replacement Elliptical Diamond Stylus. This product is designed as an exact replacement for the original Audio Technica ATS11E Stylus, which is great news for anyone who owns a cartridge that uses this particular needle. When a turntable stylus gets worn out, it doesn't just sound bad. It can actually start to damage your precious vinyl records. Replacing a worn stylus is one of the most impactful upgrades or maintenance steps you can take for your analog playback system. This EVGame stylus steps in to fill that need, offering a direct fit for the ATS11E cartridge. One of the key features highlighted for this replacement stylus is its elliptical diamond tip. Specifically, it's a 0.3 by 0.7 mil elliptical needle. Now, why is the shape important? An elliptical stylus has a smaller contact area with the groove walls compared to a conical stylus, but that contact area is spread over a larger vertical portion of the groove. This allows the stylus to track the complex modulations in the vinyl groove more accurately, particularly the higher frequencies and inner groove details. The result is often a more detailed, clearer, and potentially wider soundstage compared to a standard conical tip. The diamond material itself is crucial for durability, providing many hours of playback before wear becomes an issue. The recommended tracking force for this stylus is specified at 2 grams. This is a fairly common tracking force for many cartridges and tone arms, making it straightforward to set up on most turntables. Setting the tracking force correctly is vital for optimal performance and minimizing record wear, and 2 grams is a manageable weight to dial in. Installing a replacement stylus like this is typically a simple process. It usually involves carefully gripping the old stylus assembly and pulling it straight off the front of the cartridge body, then aligning the new EVGame stylus and gently pushing it into place until it clicks or seats firmly. Because it's designed as an exact replacement, users should find the fit precise and secure, ensuring proper alignment with the cartridge's internal components. By providing an exact, high-quality elliptical replacement, the EVGame ATS11E Stylus offers a way to restore or even potentially improve the performance of an Audio Technica ATS11E cartridge. It allows vinyl enthusiasts to continue enjoying their record collections with renewed clarity and detail, without needing to replace the entire cartridge. It's a practical and effective solution for maintaining the heart of your analog playback system.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.